Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook matumbo fry. First, you need to thoroughly clean 1 kilogram of matumbo under running water, removing any unwanted parts. Cut it into uniform, bite-sized pieces for easier handling and enjoyment. Then, boil the matumbo in a large pot with 1 teaspoon of salt for about 2 hours until it becomes wonderfully tender. This crucial step ensures a delightful texture for your finished dish. Begin by finely chopping 2 large red onions, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a spacious pan over medium heat, waiting until it shimmers invitingly. Add the chopped onions to the hot oil, carefully sautéing them until they turn translucent and achieve a delicate golden hue. This establishes the essential aromatic foundation for your matumbo fry. Next, incorporate the finely chopped garlic and ginger into the pan, cooking them for about 1 minute until wonderfully fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a generous half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of vibrant paprika, allowing these spices to bloom. Then, add the pre-boiled, tender matumbo to the pan. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is beautifully coated with the aromatic spice blend. Dice 3 ripe tomatoes and gently add them to the matumbo mixture in your pan. If needed, pour in 1/2 cup of beef broth or even just water to help create a delightful, light sauce. Cover the pan securely and let the entire mixture simmer on a low heat for about 15 minutes. This allows all the rich flavors to truly meld and develop beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.